नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल कार्तिक ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रेजोनेंस एंड एरोमेटिसिटी एंड देयर एप्लीकेशन। क्वेश्चन इसको सॉल्व करना है, हल करने बताएंगे। तरीका 106 नंबर, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अकाउंट फॉर दिस एरोमेटिसिटी एंड नेप्थलीन। It is stable towards usual oxidation. It has higher resonance energy. It undergoes substitution rather than addition reaction. All of these. The molecule which show both the intra and the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is orthonitrophenol. Compounds show both intra and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Melting point increases due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond in a compound, but intermolecular hydrogen bond cannot do this. So, orthonitrophenol is more volatile than p-nitrophenol. 108 out of the following compound, identify which one is non-aromatic. Those who do not follow the Huckel rule is non-aromaticity. रिंग इज प्लानर होना चाहिए। एरोमेटिक करेक्टर के लिए प्रॉपर्टी रहनी चाहिए। रिंग सिस्टम इज प्लानर। दो डिलोकलाइजेशन ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन। कॉन्जुगेटिव साइक्लिक सिस्टम फॉलो हकल रूल फॉर एरोमेटिक। In the following compound, the order of acidity is OH, OH3, OH, NO2, OH, NO2. Acidity increases due to the presence of electron withdrawing group and decreases acid element due to the presence of electron releasing group. For this reason, NO2 group also increase the resonance effect. So फोर्थ, उसके बाद थर्ड, फिर उसके बाद फर्स्ट, उसके बाद सेकेंड। ऑप्शन डी सही है। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डी ऑर्बिटल रेजोनेंस इज d orbital is possible in CCl3 because it goes to empty d orbital with increasing stability of the CCl3. Consider the following statement about the resonance. Resonating structure differ only in the arrangement of electrons. All atoms participating in resonance must lie in the same plane. Resonance hybrid is less stable than contributing structure. Only first and second are follow. The position of electron different number in different resonance should be the same. The almost same number of unpaired electrons in all canonical formula. Energy of all structures should be approximately the same. The bond angle and bond length should also be approximately equal in our formula. The resonance hybrid are the actual molecule is more stable than the canonical hydrogen. 112 question. The value of resonance energy of a resonance hybrid is a relative value. Resonance hybrid, because a resonance hybrid energy difference between actual molecule and the energy the most stable molecule. The value of resonance energy of any resonance hybrid is a relative value. Consider the following statements about aromatic compound. They are cyclic compound containing circularly delocalized 4m plus 2 pi electron, where n is an integer and they contain high resonance energy. अगला क्वेश्चन 114. Consider the following statements show aromatic compound. First answer, they are planar, they sustain ring current. 115. The most basic compound among the following is benzamide, aniline, 2,4-dinitro-aniline, 2-phenylethylamine, 2-phenylethylamine, because its lone pair are localized. Lone pair of electrons are localized. 116. The acidic nature of cyclopentadiene can be explained by which of the following? इसका होगा आंसर aromaticity of the anion. The number of pi electron becomes 6. The anion thus satisfies the 4m plus 2 rule of aromaticity. Hence the anion become aromatic and exceptionally exceptionally stable in nature. Consider the statement assertion naphthalene is a more reactive than benzene region. Naphthalene contains two separate benzene. Both A R and are, are the true and are in the correct explanation of A है इसका आंसर होगा 118. Which one among the following is anti-aromatic? Those compounds which do not follow 4n plus 2 pi rule, so it is anti-aromatic due to containing 4 pi electron is condition of anti-aromatic. 4 pi electron B वाला होगा ऑप्शन. In naphthalene, C1 bond is shorter than C2 C3 bond. Which one of the following 120 question? Which one of the following resonance structure will contribute maximum toward the stability of because its negative charge resides on more electronegative element CH2n triple bond N. Consider the statement assertion. Orthochlorobenzoic acid is less basic acidic than orthochlorobenzoic acid region. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding in force of chlorobenzoic and increases acidity. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 122 question. Which compound has greatest electron density on its nitrogen atom? Due to the migration of lone pair does not take place in 2. It has a greatest low electron density. Consider the following statement about resonance. Resonance structure differs only in arrangement of electron. ये सही है पहला. B वाला all participating atoms lie in the same plane. तीसरा क्या है रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड इज मोर स्टेबल देन एनी ऑफ द कैनोनिकल स्ट्रक्चर ये भी सही है. फोर्थ वाला नहीं सही है. कैनोनिकल स्ट्रक्चर हैव आइडेंटिकल एनर्जी कंट्रीब्यूट द लीस्ट टुवर्ड द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड. अरेंज द गिवन फिनॉल डियर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एसिडिटी फ्लोरीन OH CH OH ClSOH iodine और chlorine. Electron density increases with increase in acidic strength. Electron withdrawing group. Decreasing order of acidity of phenols. B is greater than C is greater than D is greater than A. ये ऑप्शन डी आपका सही है. Which one of the following compounds has the least reactive chlorine atoms? 6H5CH2Cl C6H5Cl CH3Cl CH2 double bond CH2Cl BC6H5Cl. Consider the following alcohol. The order of alcohol toward nucleophilic with third is greater than first is greater than fourth is greater than second. Because electron group withdrawing bromo or nitro group is present as a substituent in para position, the reactivity of alcohol toward a nucleophilic substitution with HBr is decreased. Which one of the following is not aromatic? C वाला option C because it does not follow Huckel law. Resonance arises by delocalization of pi electron. Which of the following statement justify that ethylene is less aromatic than benzene? Due to naphthalene has 10 pi electron rather than 12 pi electron, what is expected? C. Naphthalene is alternate hydrocarbon. Which one of the following compounds is most basic? H2C. C option रहेगा इसमें. Which one of the following will not show aromatic character? Option C benzene. Pyrrole does not show basic properties because lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized with p orbital electrons of carbon. Because the ring gets an aromatic character and the lone pair of electrons are not readily available for donation, so pyrrole cannot act as a strong base. 113 question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option C. Only compound containing benzene ring are aromatic. The acidity of phenol is due to resonance stabilization of its anion. Because it is stabilized to the same extent, the negative charge on the oxygen atom is delocalized around the ring. The more stable the ion is, the more likely it is to the form. 135. Which one of the following compound is comparatively more aromatic thiophene. Oxygen are less electrophile due to its lone pair of electron is more delocalized in the ring. Thiophene as compared to because sulfur oxygen are less electrophile. Which one? 136 question. Which one of the following will not be stabilized by resonance? Option C. Because the oxygen atom minus bond are and add one extra electron on it absence of pi electron. 136. Which was the most basic species among the following? NH2, NH2, NH2. Option B. Due to the lone pair of nitrogen in NH2 not participate on resonance. Most acidic is phenol because it takes part in resonance, whereas electron donating group is found due to which less in acidic in nature. Pure energy colorless liquid. 139. 140. Which one of the following are aromatic? And D से correct रहेगा. Dehydration of alcohol will be in the order in the option C. Third is less than, second is less than, first is less than, fourth. 142 question. Which of the following heterocyclic compound is not aromatic? Piperidine because it does not have a Hakel loop and does not participate in resonance. 143. What is the total number of pi electrons in phenanthrene? 14 pi electron. The ring is planar and conjugated and thus it satisfies our condition of aromaticity and is also aromatic in nature. 144. Which one of the following is an aromatic compound? Pyrrole because planar monocyclic ring containing 4n plus 2 pi electron for aromaticity. Option C सही है. In which compound there are 10 pi electron? Naphthalene has 10 pi electron and have a Hakel loop, thus is aromatic compound. Which one? 146. Which one of the following compound does not follow Hakel rule? P-benzoquinone because it has 4n plus 2 pi electron and there is no electron, where phenanthrene, pyridine and cyclopentadienyl anion obey Hakel rule. False statement. Pyrrole is more reactive than furan. Some pyridines are found in nucleic acids. Option C. Pyridine is less basic than pyrrole. Option D. Electrophilic substitution in pyrrole occurs in 2 or 4 5th position. इसमें ऑप्शन सी सही होगा. Pyridine is less than pyrrole because lone pair of nitrogen in pyridine is localized and hence it can be easily donate hydrogen atom. Thus pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. 148 question. Which one of the following will not be established by resonance? Option C. C2H5 whole twice O because it does not contain unsaturated carbon or delocalization of pi electrons is not possible in resonance process and all the compound unsaturated hydrocarbon are found and delocalization of electron is possible. 149. Pyrrole does not show basic properties because lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized with p orbital of the carbon. Which one of the following does not show resonance? Ethylamine. It will see that the atoms are sp3 hybridized, which is not planar, and why the electron is localized and nitrogen and cannot undergo resonance. 151. Which one of the following does not have sp2 hybridization? sp2 hybridization in C2H2. 152. The compound obtained by reduction of propanaldehyde by amalgamated zinc and concentrated HCl is propane. इसमें भी ऑप्शन सही होगा. 153. Which one of the following is a permanent effect? A. Inductive effect because permanent displacement of shared pair electron in the carbon chain toward a more electronegative atom. It is a distance dependent phenomenon that produces a permanent state of polarization. It is transmitted through sigma bond. Chapter 2 Reagents. Electrophilic and nucleophilic reagents. What is phoron? Phoron is a 2,6-dimethyl-2,5-heptadiene. Phoron is prepared by acid with phentan-agent butanol form. FeSO4 plus H2O2 is phentan-agent butanol form. 2,5-dimethyl hexane 2,5-diol. विच वन आर द फॉलोइंग। दोस्तों अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा। जय हिंद दोस्तों।